Consistency is everything, especially in the healthcare industry. Everything we do is mission critical, right? We're going to fail a patient if we don't do what we need to do. My name is Nick Goyle. I work for Medline here in our world headquarters in Northfield, Illinois. Medline is a global manufacturer and distributor of medical supplies. The end mission, right, is to provide the products that our clinicians, our hospitals, our customers need in order to be able to fulfill their care duties, right? To take care of a patient. Having a good relationship with a vendor matters because you're going to get a competitive product. You know you're going to get consistent quality, and you know you're going to get a consistency of supply. Fulflex is one of the largest producers of tourniquets and S-marks in the world, and as such plays a preeminent role in the marketplace. Very professionally managed group, family-owned company. Fulflex has been in the Medline portfolio for 15 plus years. So it's a core product with a robust support staff. You can't fail in healthcare. Your ability to be competitive in the market, your ability to deliver to a promise, your ability to innovate matters to me. Having Fulflex being able to produce, invest in new machinery and expand their production capacity, it is part of why we continue to do business with them, because as we grow, we need to grow with Fulflex. We've been through several challenges as we've gone into and come out of COVID. None of them being easy. I think we can all say we were all pulling our hair out. That's why I'm bald. And so with that said, right, they've partnered with me and my team and Medline very effectively to work through those challenges. Where we have challenges, it's proactive, it's with open dialogue, working towards solutions to prevent those for the future. That's what a good partnership is about. We have a great partnership with Fulflex that makes them very easy to work with, and I really appreciate that about them.